Hey, Nicole.
Hey, how are you?
Good, I'm Heather.
Nice meeting you.
So how was your driving with all this gross rain we're having?
It's pretty brutal out there.
I know, well, I'm glad you got here okay. I saw a few accidents on my way up.
Yeah, there's a lot of police on the 401 actually.
Oh man, well, before we get started, I'm just going to give you my business card.
Oh,
So that's all
thank
my
you.
contact info, and here's 2 booklets with the different accounts we have at RBC.
Oh, thank you so much. This will be helpful.
Can I get you something to drink?
No, it's okay. I have something right here.
Alright, so do you mind if we get down to business?
Sure, go right ahead.
So what brought you here today?
Well, I recently graduated from school and I'm looking for a way to save some money for a condo in a couple of years.
Awesome, where did you attend school?
I went to Sheridan.
Congratulations, I hear they have excellent business programs.
Yeah, I recently graduated from their financial program.
Congratulations. So, what can I do for you today?
Oh, thank you. Well, I'd like to learn more about the tax-free savings account. A friend of mine told me it's an excellent way to save at my age. Plus, I have $5,000 in savings, and I'm looking for a way to accumulate enough for a condo in like 5 years.
Okay, I could definitely help you with that. Do you actually have an account with us right now?
Yeah, I have two. I have a student account and an everyday savings account.
Well, I'm glad to hear that you're already a customer with us. And how have you liked banking with RBC so far?
I haven't had any problems so far. They have helped me a lot with my line of credit through school, actually.
That's great. And what are your favorite features on the accounts?
Oh, the low service charge and the ability to access my account online on my phone sometimes.
Those are some excellent qualities that we have, and the tax-free savings account will definitely fit that criteria. What I'll do today is I'll give you a bit of an overview of the tax-free savings account, and we can add it to your profile if you decide it's for you.
Oh, sounds like a plan.
Alright, so before we go a little further, I'll tell you about myself. I'm actually also a graduate of Sheridan College, and I graduated from their accounting program in 1999. And I also am a graduate from Western, and I got my MBA there. From there, I've worked with companies such as the Investor Group, Bank of Nova Scotia, and I've been with RBC for the past 6 years.
Wow, pretty good resume you have there.
Thank you. So the tax-free savings account, I'm just going to break it down to you. So it's fairly new to the market. It was actually just introduced in 2009, and it's for short-term and long-term needs. It's really unlike anything Canadian investors have seen. So a bit of the basic info for you. So to be eligible to open this account, you have to be 18 or older, a resident of Canada with a valid social insurance number. Luckily here it is 18 because in other provinces it's 19. And the yearly contribution as of 2013 is $5,000. The limit rises each year by $500 to keep up with inflation. So by 2014 it'll be $5,500 you'll be able to contribute. The government reports your contributions annually, and there's no tax deduction from your account. The money grows faster than any other account. And whatever amount you withdraw is tax-free and you can recontribute it. I know this is a lot of information to analyze at once.
Yeah, it's quite a lot to process all at once.
I know it is a lot, but so should I continue or do you want me to answer any questions of what I've talked about so far?
I do have a few questions.
Okay, go right ahead.
What are the other benefits of the tax-free savings account, and what other purposes could I use it for?
Okay, so the TFSA has a variety of special features that makes it very beneficial. Some of them include flexibility, investment choice, no income requirement, versatility, tax-free saving, which I mentioned before, and lifelong eligibility.
Oh, could you tell me about the no income requirement and also the flexibility of the account?
Sure, the feature of the no income requirement gives emphasis to the fact that you don't have to earn any specific amount of income to have this account. Also, it's very flexible in terms of making withdrawals for whatever purpose you may need.
Oh, that's really impressive, seeing that it's a type of investment.
There are a lot more features, and I'm going to brief you on the other purposes of the account. It allows users to make flexible tax-privileged savings, and it can be used for many purposes, which I've stated. It can be used to accumulate a source of funds for emergencies. You can use it to save for retirement, and you can also use it for even maintaining eligibility for different types of government programs.
So you mean the money that I accumulate in this account could be used towards my retirement in the future?
Yeah, it definitely could potentially be your second source of funding.
Oh, wow.
So have I answered your questions that you asked then?
Yeah, just still a lot to take in.
Nicole, I can assure you that the TFSA is very flexible and it will be very useful at your age. So let me just review what you're looking for. So you want a low risk account that has low costs and you want to earn interest tax free.
Yeah, that's right. My friend actually told me that she had a lot of success with this account because she was able to buy a new car after only 2 years of investing.
Oh yeah, that's I hear that a lot. A lot of customers find great success using this account. And do you want to give it a go today?
I'm not sure if I want to open it. It's a lot to think about.
I understand that this is very overwhelming to do, but just remember, once we open the account, you can make contributions as much as possible and as often as you want. How does that sound?
I've had this money saved up for a while, and I'm really nervous to go ahead and invest it all of a sudden.
That is understandable, but I just want to point something out to you of how much better your funds will grow. I actually have this chart made up for you, and it shows how a $5,000 investment earning 6%, that's our general rate, and how much faster it'll grow. And the blue there, this is your tax-free savings account, and this is just your normal. So as you can see, it's grown almost $40,000 more over 20 years. So if you're looking to save for a condo, more of the 5-year basis, there's still almost a $2,000 increase. So it's definitely beneficial for you.
Oh, that sounds great, actually.
I'm glad that answered your question. About the payments, did you want to make biweekly payments? You can do it as often as every day, every month, and we can set it up actually through your online banking account, and we can get it to go automatically.
I'd like to start with monthly payment and see how it goes.
That sounds good. So to get this account started, I'm going to need some personal information, your social insurance number and your driver's license, and we can get this account started.
Oh, why do you need so much personal information?
Well, Nicole, in order for me to open up this TFSA for you, I want to be certain that this account fits your financial and your personal needs.
Oh, that sounds about right. Hold on a second. Oh, here you go.
Thank you so much. And
This is my social insurance right there.
awesome, I'll just get that processed.
Okay.
And any more questions before it's finalized?
Yeah, will I be able to make deposit today?
Of course, when I set this account for you, and we can show you through how you can do that through online.
Oh, how great. And did you say I can make I can monitor my daily uses of the account?
Exactly. So you can access it through the account, and you'll be able to see your daily balances.
Oh, that's great. Wish I've heard about this while I was in school.
You know what they say, it is never too late to start investing with us.
That's very true.
So I have one more thing to talk to you about. So you said you want to save up this money for a condo, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm thinking is, since you're going to start a mortgage, I want to make an appointment with you and we can discuss some different funding options that you may have, and I think it'll be very beneficial for you.
Yeah, that's actually good. That was my next move.
Awesome. Well, we're almost done here, so I'm going to start setting this account for you. Okay, so tax-free savings account, and you're doing the full $5,000, correct?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and this is from your savings.
Yes.
Okay, so once this gets processed, you'll be able to see that just up here it's going to say tax-free savings account, and you'll be able to click right there,
Mm-hmm.
and it's going to show all the information that you need.
Okay, great.
And I'm just going to print out our order here.
Okay.
And I'm going to need to get your signature
Alright.
just at the bottom there, and you can date it just about the tax-free savings account. You are purchasing it for $5,000.
There you go.
Thank you so much. I have a copy of it as well. There you go.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, so just to review, the savings account is used for long-term or short-term needs. It is tax-free, and you can recontribute as much as $5,000 this year. Have I answered all your questions?
Yeah, you've been great help today.
Well, I'm glad I can help you. What I'm going to do is we'll set up an appointment for next month. We can talk about how your tax-free account is working for you. I want to make sure that you're enjoying it, and we'll also set up an account to talk about the mortgage. So, how about May the 7th at 2? Does that work for you?
Yeah, that's okay.
All right. So here's just a printout of our appointment as well.
Okay.
And yeah.
So thank you so much. You've been great help, and I look forward to seeing you in the next 6 months.
All right, so if you do have any other questions, you have my business card. You can call my extension anytime from Monday to Friday between 8 to 5. You can even just pop in, and either me or one of my other employees will definitely be glad to assist you.
Okay, sure, I'll be doing that. Thank you so much.
And I'd like to thank you for choosing RBC, and I'll see you next month.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right.